Welcome, this is Waec 2020 English Test of Oral Past Question. Question number 36. The instruction here says that we should look out for the word or option that takes the stress of the given word. And when we talk of stress means the degree of force that a syllable or a unit of a particular word takes during pronunciation or production. And the given word here is pronounced as overwhelming, not over, because in English phonics there is nothing like o. So now in this given word we want to find out the syllable that takes the stress. Option A. In option A, letter O is capitalized to tell us that if the stress actually fall on the first syllable O. Then option B, the capitalized word for the capitalized syllable are ver, to tell us that we should find out if the stress actually fall on the second syllable. Then in option C, the capitalized letters is WHELM, telling us that we should take note if the stress actually fall on the third syllable. Then in option D, the capitalized letter is ing, telling us that if actually the stress fall on ing. So now let us pronounce it and let us take note in the course of production. Sense the movement of the esophagus. Now me. Now when you get to when, you find out that the esophagus was a bit strong or thick than when we pronounce the first syllable, the second syllable, and the last syllable. So by this thickness, it simply means that the stress fall on when, which is option C. So we have our stress on when. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.